Good morning, children. I hope all of you are safe at your home. So, children, today we will discuss some more questions related with the topic My Body. Okay, that is chapter 2 in your book. Okay, and why we are solving all these questions, so the concept will be clear to you. Okay, now see the first question, children. Tick the correct options. Okay, now A part, we have 2/3 legs. So children, you have to tick the correct option. Okay, so tell me, we have 2 legs or 3 legs? Children, tell me. You have to tick in this options. Okay, I'll mark like this. You have two options are given, you have to select the correct one. Okay, we have 2/3 legs. So children, all of you know we have two legs, so you have to put tick above the 2. Okay, now B part, we write with our hands/legs. So children, we write with our hands or legs? Hands. Okay, so you have to put the tick on hands. Clear? Now C part, our eyes are on the chin or face. So children, our eyes are present on which part? Chin or face? Yes, very good. Okay, our eyes are present on our face. Okay, so face is the correct answer. Now see, we smell with our nose, ears. So children, all of you know the answer. We smell with our nose. Okay, now we walk with our legs, hands. So we walk with our legs. Okay children, now one more time, I'll put the tick. Okay, see it carefully. We have 2 legs. Okay, we write with our hands. Our eyes are on the face. We smell with our nose. We walk with our legs. Okay children. Now move to the second question. Second question is the filling the blanks. Okay, filling the blanks. Now see here, we can run with this part of our body. So with which part of our body we can run, children? Tell me. We can run with this part of the body. Which part? We can run with our legs. So right here, legs. We can run with our legs. Second one, total number of toes on both legs. So children, I already told you, in one leg we have 5 toes. Okay, but here it is asking total number of toes on both the leg. Both means 2 legs. Okay, so that is 10. Okay, 5 in 1 foot, 5 in 1 foot, so 5 plus 5, 10. Okay, so total number of toes on both the legs, 10. Now see the next, we can see anything with this body part. So we can see anything with this body part. Which body part? We can see anything with this body part? Eyes. Okay, correct answer, eyes. Clear? Now see the D part. We can lift any object with this body part. So we can lift any object with which body part? With our hands. Okay. I told you the function of hand. So what I told at that time, that with the help of our hand we can write, catch, throw, lift. Okay, so many things we are able to do with our hand. Okay, we can lift a bucket full of water with the help of our hand. Okay, if you want to lift a bucket which is full with the water, how you are able to lift? With the help of your hands. Okay children, clear? So move to the next one. Rearrange the letter and find the name of each body parts. So children, here words are given. See here, these words are given. Okay, you have to rearrange the letters in proper way so that it forms the name of a body parts. Okay, name of the body parts. So see here, R-E-A. What is this? Ear. E, you have to rearrange A, R. Ear. Okay. Now G-E-L. What is this? Leg. L-E-G. Clear? Now O-E-N-S. So this is nose. N-O-S-E. Okay. Nose. Now Y-E-E-S. Which body part is this, children? Now think. What is this? Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Clear, children? All of you practice all the questions in your rough copy. Okay? Try to solve by yourself. Now see the second sheet. Identify and match the body parts. In this question, children, you have to identify the parts and match it with the parts of the body. Okay? Now see, half of the sheet we will do. See here, children. First of all, we will do the half sheet and after that half sheet. See. Here, this one. Okay. Ear, this. Eye, this. Mouth, this part. Nose, this one. Neck, this part is our neck. So match it from here. Hand, this one. Okay. Clear? Now see. Okay. Arm, this is our arm. Foot, this is our foot. And leg, this part is called leg. Okay, full this called our leg. Okay, clear? Now all of you try to draw a beautiful diagram of a human body parts. Okay, and label all its parts. Okay, children. Now tomorrow we will discuss or we will revise our next chapter, that is chapter 3, my sense organs. Okay, till then all of you take care. Thank you.